Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get the front flash on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to get front flash on TikTok. Now let's say that you actually want to record your front camera from the TikTok app. If I tap on the plus button and then you want to switch to the front camera, and then that you're really in a dark room and you want a flash to be shown from your front screen. And how you could basically work around that is that the first thing is that you could actually simply increase your brightness to the maximum level to kind of simply actually make it more brighter. But then if that is not an option for you, I'm going to run through other step which will hopefully actually get your brightness to actually lit up. And in order to do that, I'm going to exit from TikTok first, and then we want to simply make sure to actually update the TikTok app to the latest version. So you could actually head over to TikTok, and then if there is an update button there, go ahead and simply update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated TikTok, every Android and iOS has this feature called color inversion or classic invert. For iPhone users, you have the option called classic invert, and in order to get to that, you can open settings and you can simply search in the search box classic invert. For Android users, it is usually hidden in there under your quick panel settings. You have the option called color inversion. Now in your case, if it could you may not also have this option, then you can also go to your settings and search in the quick panel settings. If it is hidden under your quick panel settings, you could actually go ahead and look for the option at the bottom right over here. Once you've actually found color inversion, you want to simply turn this toggle on. Now what this basically does is that if you actually open TikTok and then you go ahead and want to record your front camera, now previously what happened was that now if you're in a really darker room, you can see it is actually going to brighten up the light, and you could go ahead and actually record a video, play with it, and so on. Now what this basically does is that if you're in a dark room, it is going to convert that into a more lighter space. Now you could go ahead and actually record it on your screen as well. You can see right over here the camera. Previously, if I turn off color inversion, now let's say that you want the flash to be shown. If I turn off color inversion and then I come to TikTok, you'd basically be able to say it is actually kind of dark compared to before. But then if I actually go ahead and turn on color inversion, you'd basically be able to see that it is much more brighter, especially if you are trying to record it during the nighttime or in a space where you don't have access to light or something, or maybe you're trying to FaceTime someone in really dark environment and you want your face to be shown. Now this basically does the job for you. This is a really cool feature on every mobile device. And this is basically it on how you can actually get the front flash on TikTok and make your front camera more brighter so that it can record from your front camera as well. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.